Hello everyone. My question yesterday was, what are you doing in this lockdown period? For that, let me give you a story. Very interesting story. So there was a time once when Lord Indra got very angry with all the farmers and he gave them a curse that for the next 12 years you will not receive any rain. The farmers got very upset, agitated, and they started pleading, Lord Indra, please, we are sorry. Don't do that. If there's no rain for 12 years, you will not get anything. Please don't do this to us. So he said, okay, if Lord Shiva starts playing his damru, then the rain will fall. So they gave some hope to the farmers. They went running to Lord Shiva. And they went and pleaded to Lord Shiva and prayed to him that, please, Lord, just take your damru and use it, just play it, then we'll get rain. So Lord Shiva said very seriously, this damru will not be played for the next 12 years. Now the farmers didn't know this, but Lord Shiva and Lord Indra already had a pact. So these farmers unfortunately, sadly went back, and they just knew that now for the next 12 years there'll be no rain. So they just had one routine now. Every morning they used to get up, look at the weather, hope, pray, and then in the evening they used to go back to their homes, have their dinner, and go back to sleep. This went on for a lot of years. In between, there was this one farmer amongst all of them who used to still go to his land, plow it, seed it, keep doing whatever he used to do even when the rain was coming. So these farmers went and spoke to him that, listen, are you mad? Why are you wasting your time and energy on something which is not going to give you any result at the moment? You know it's not going to rain for 12 years. So why are you still plowing, using your cows, using your energy, so much time you're wasting, you're seeding, you're, wasting the seeds. This farmer very confidently just said one thing to them, that for the next 12 years, I know that rain is not going to come. But if I do not do what I do, I will lose practice. I will lose the focus and the energy. And after 12 years, when the time is right, I might not be able to do anything because I've lost in touch with the activity I used to do every day. Now this dialogue which he said appealed to Parvati. She went running to Lord Shiva and she told him, listen, you're not going to play the damru for 12 years. What if you lose practice of it? This hit Lord Shiva also, and immediately he took the damru and he started to see whether he can do it. The moment he started playing it, the rain fell. And when the rain fell, everybody was shocked because it was not even 12 years. Yet the farm of that man who had done all this work in spite of no rain, his land started showing results and crops started growing. And all the farmers just kept looking at him and wondering why they did not do that. So this tells us that in this time when there is a lockdown, when things are so unsure, we might have, these thoughts, when will this corona get over? When will the lockdown get over? When will a normal life come? You're constantly putting your energy and focus onto things which will anyway happen when they are supposed to happen. But this is the time for us to continue focusing on what we do best, what we know best, and continuously strive towards it. If not, then learn a little more. Keep doing something which will activate and energize and make you, that better person in the kind of work you do or whatever you love to do and all. Because you never know when the damru will start playing and suddenly things will become perfectly okay. So friends, continue, strive, do not give up your habits. Continue to focus and energize yourself on the things that you know the best and the things that you love to do. This is what this time is for. Namaste and see you next week.